Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. I do a lot of skincare reviews on my channel. So if you're interested, then please make sure that you are subscribed so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the Coco Melt Balm. The price of this product is 449 rupees and you get 50 grams quantity of this one. This product comes in an outer cardboard box like this, which has the ingredients as well as some important information listed on it, which we will discuss soon in this video. And the inner packaging looks like this. It comes in a very sturdy plastic tub packaging. The texture of this product is very thick as it contains coconut oil as one of its main ingredients. So some of the key ingredients of this product are cold pressed virgin coconut oil. It contains vitamin E and lauric acid as per their website. Now the website doesn't mention the complete ingredient list, and when I check the product packaging, the outer cardboard box which they have given here, I see they have listed a few key ingredients like coconut oil, castor oil and Sugandhit Dravya, and then it says oil based QS. Now here also they have just mentioned key ingredients along with the certain quantity that they have added of those ingredients, and the last thing that says is called oil based QS, which is like a general term. Okay, now let's look at the claims which they have mentioned on their website. Ideal multitasking product, removes dead skin cells, dullness, skin tan, skin impurities, dry skin and brittle hair. Another thing which I want to mention before we move on to the review is something very interesting which I found on their box, where it says the directions to use, and since they call it multitasking, they say that this can be used in different ways. So they have mentioned that you can use it as a body moisturizer, as a hair mask, as a makeup remover, dry shave oil, bath boost, under eye, for baby massage and also belly balm. Now I'll quickly talk about my overall experience of using this melt balm. Now the main reason why I wanted to get this one was to use it as a makeup remover. So as a makeup remover, this has performed exceptionally well, and because it contains coconut oil as a primary ingredient, it does remove makeup very effectively, and I was quite surprised with the result. When I used it, I had my very stubborn liquid lipstick on, and it did manage to remove it off quite nicely. Another important thing that I noticed while I was using it as a cleansing balm is that it did not sting my eye at all. When I was removing my eye makeup with it, my eye makeup came out quite faster. It did not leave any traces behind of the eye makeup, and it did not sting the eyes. When you apply this thing to remove your makeup, you have to use like this is like a first cleanse, and it is compulsory to double cleanse after it. Use another face wash after this, because it will leave a film behind and it will leave a little bit of a greasy residue. I am very happy with this product as a makeup remover. Now since they have listed out on their box that it can be used in other different ways, so I will also talk about all of the different ways in which I try to use it. Let's see the box. First thing they say, you can use it as a body moisturizer. Now as I mentioned, the texture is very thick of this cleansing balm or melting balm, whatever. So the texture is very thick, but it does melt into the skin nicely. But if you are going to use it as a body moisturizer, it takes quite some time to get absorbed fully into the skin, but it does work as a body moisturizer. Another thing is you have to be very careful with the quantity that you use, because this is very thick. It's very thick because it can get too heavy, or it can turn out to be greasy if you're using it as a body moisturizer. Then they say use it as a hair mask. Now this is something that I did not want to use, because when I saw how thick it is, I don't think it will be a good idea to use it as a hair mask. If you have a shampoo that is deep cleansing shampoo that can remove out all sorts of like heavy buildup of hairspray and all of those things, if you have a shampoo like that, then I think you can try it as a hair mask. Next is dry shave oil. Okay, I tried this thing as a dry shave, and it was not I was not very comfortable using it that way, because while using the razor on my skin, it was like a little bit not going very smoothly. Bath boost, I tried this, but I did not like it that much, because again this is very thick and can get very greasy. It makes the water, like warm water, greasy, and it wasn't a good experience, so I don't recommend it using it that way. Under eye, again, this is something that can work as a body moisturizer, but I don't recommend using it under the eyes, because now you can use heavy creams under your eyes to moisturize your skin under eye area, and it is too thick to be used as an under eye cream. So body moisturizer fine, but not on the face. I don't recommend it using it on the face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Baby massage, I cannot try that. Belly balm, I did not try that. So rest of the things I have tried, and I think the best use of this melting balm is using it as a makeup remover, and you can also alternatively use it as a body moisturizer. So that is my overall experience of using it as a multitasking makeup removing multitasking melting balm. So that is all from my overall experience of the Coco Soul melting balm. I hope you found this video to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such skincare reviews, and you'll find a lot of these videos from the description box below. And that is it from today. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.